Hello? Hi, Bianca, it's Kelly. The weather is supposed to be nice on Saturday. Do you want to go biking in Prospect Park? My bike's a little old. That's okay. My bike isn't great either. Meet you at the main entrance at 10? Okay, sure. I'll see you there. Kelly has been my best friend since kindergarten. She's good at everything. Straight A's, captain of the soccer team, homecoming queen. She's the best athlete. She's gonna make me look like I need training wheels. I'll bet she'll want to race me and leave me behind on my old bike. I'll show her.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for a bike with a lot of gears.
Sure, come this way. What kind of riding do you do? Road racing, touring, mountain biking?
More like prospect parking.
Here, this is a nice all-around bike.
What do all those gears do?
Well, I'll show you how the gears work with the model. This large gear is like the one on the bike where the pedals are, and this small gear,
Like the one on the back wheel.
now when you turn the pedal one time, the front gear turns the back gear a certain number of times. This is what gives you power or speed. Count the number of teeth on the big gear.
36.
Okay, now count the number of teeth on the smaller back wheel gear.
12.
How many 12s are in 36?
3.
That means whenever you pedal one time, the back wheel rotates 3 times. Makes it easier to go uphill. That is the power gear. How many teeth on this one?
9.
So that means,
Well, let me see. How many 9s are there in 36? 4. So that means that the back wheel goes around 4 times.
right, and that's the gear for speed.
Speed? That's what I need. I'll be using that gear more. Wow, Bianca, that's a beauty. Thanks. The gears help me get up hills easily and get a lot of speed on the straightaway. Great. Let's go. Bianca, come back.